Well, hey guys, Captain Cook here. Uh, got a little tutorial today on OBS Studios. I'm going to show you how to set up your green screen, your Chroma key, and well, the first thing you need to do is you need to download OBS Studios. I put a link in the description box below to OBS Studios for the download. And you will also need to download OBS Virtual Camera. And what you're going to use that in is if you can use that in your live streams. So you're going to need that virtual camera. But today is just the green screen Chroma key. So go ahead and bring up, here's OBS Studio 22.0.2. As you can see, the only thing in the sources, don't forget to put audio input or you're going to be screwed. This is the second take of this video. I'm actually doing this on Power Director Screen Recorder 3. But I could do it with, I have a recording button here. I could do it with OBS, and it's not that bad. It's not that bad. But the quality is better with Power Director, so that's why I'm doing it in Power Director. Now, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so what I like to do mine is, I like to go into studio mode, and I'll show you why. Alright, so we're going to do a green screen. We're going to put me on, so you got to do this in layers. That's what I'm trying to say. So what I want down here first, I want an image. I want my background first. So you go right in here where sources, okay? Hit the plus, and here are all your sources. And you can see there's window capture, scene, text. You can text, put text in it, media, scenes, slideshows, images, games, game capture, display capture, color source, browser, and your audio inputs and outputs. So what we just want an image on the background. So I'm going to click image. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to browse for images. And here's some images I have. So we'll just go ahead and pick, I kind of like this one. Let's pick that one right there. We'll open it. All right. Click OK. Now you see the black window. You want to make it fit in that. All right. So you're going to lose some of it when you size it like that. All right, let's back over. All right, but you can move it inside and get it positioned right where you want it. Okay, there we go. Now, this window over here is a transition window. So if you're actually live streaming or recording, all right, when it records, it's going to be recording from this window. So if I was recording, I'll transition over. You're going to see that. You're going to hear me talking just like we're doing right now, right? I can go in and add more here, right? And you'll never see what I'm doing over here until I transition it here, right? So what we'll do, we'll go ahead and pull up video capture device, all right? Your camera. We're going to pull it up. Okay. There I go. All right. And make sure you pick the right camera. I have several in here. As you can see, I have my the HP, the webcam that's on the laptop, and my OBS virtual cameras. But we're going to do the webcam. We're going to do the HD Pro C920 and select yes. So now you see I'm here. And like I said, if I was recording, you wouldn't see this right now. All right. So I'm putting things together here, editing here, and wham, and then pushing them over there. And I'll show you how we do that. Okay, so now you see my green screen behind me. We want to get this gone, right? We want that green gone. So what we're going to do is we're going to highlight, just left click where it says video capture, right? Then right click on it, and you'll see this menu come up. You want to pick filters, all right? There we go. You want to go to Effect Filters. There. You'll go to Chroma key. All right, say okay. Now, see what happened? The green's gone. But if you'll look right over here, you can still see a little bit. And if you look right around here and around my head, you can still see some green. So we're going to mess with some sliders. Now see, when I move it back, I bring it back to me, see? So we're going to take it, take it, take it, take it. And if I go too much, it'll start affecting the way I look, right? So we'll bring it back until, yeah, it looks pretty good. Smoothness, same way. You bring it to, there you go, slider, slider. All right, not too bad. I can still see a little green. We can do color spill reduction. So, as you can see, as I mess with that, man, that doesn't look too terrible. Doesn't look too bad. And you also have opacity, which you can, you can make yourself kind of blend in or disappear. But, contrast, brightness, and gamma. Okay, but we're going to stick with this one. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty decent, so we'll close it. Now, as you can see, there I go. Now I can take and I can make myself as big as I want in this. I can move myself around. Now, like I said, I haven't transitioned this over. And so if I'm actually doing a live stream or doing a recording, my recording is just you're seeing this and you're hearing me until I do this. Boom. I transition over. There you go. Now, like I said, you got to this is layers. All right, this was layer 1. I'm layer 2. If I came in here and I wanted to add another image, all right, we're going to add another image. And, whatever, we'll add that image. All right, see, it puts it on top of me because these are layers. But if you can still do it if you want that to be a smaller image that you're going to put there, and wrong one. That you're going to put there. And now you see when I did that, it's not affecting over here. There's what everybody's going to be seeing is the one on the right until I transition it. So I'll get that back. Now I can move this around. I can make it small, a little thumbnail, and add them all around. But it is a layer because if I move it down, it's on top of me. So we'll just stick it up in the corner there. All right, transition, bam, that's what you see now. So it's not complicated. I hope this helps you guys out. There's a lot more stuff to OBS. Like I said, I'll drop a link to OBS and OBS Virtual Cam, and I'll do another video on some other stuff OBS. I think the next one I'll do is on using OBS in YouTube Hangouts, because you can't do any of this stuff in Hangouts without OBS or some other software. But I think it's pretty cool. I've only been messing with it 2 weeks, but looks pretty good to me. And I hope you learned something from this. If you got any questions, please feel free to ask. If you got any suggestions, tips, I know they're out there. everybody's got tips, and I'm glad to hear them, because a lot of what I've learned is from other people, watching other people commenting, and giving me some tips. But I hope this helps you guys out. Like I say, I'll do another video on actually doing a hangout with this, and I think it'll be pretty cool. But guys, I thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoy your weekend, and I hope to see you guys later today in the live stream at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We've got some sponsored giveaways. Going to have a good time. But guys, thank you for joining me. This is Captain Cook, and I'm signing out.